You guys probably already know what these guys are, so let's talk about them. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the functionalities of paring knives. Both of these paring knives are from Cangshan Cutlery, part of their Keller line. Quick disclaimer, they did send these knives to me completely free of charge to help collaborate with them and to do this series of functionality videos. If you're watching these videos, you probably already kind of have a grasp on what a paring knife is for, such as the following. Alright, I'm just kidding, guys. Let's talk about the real functions of a paring knife. Now, the paring knife is a knife that you use when you don't really want to grab for the big chef knife. When you have small detail work and more precise work that you can't really use a big chef knife, it's just difficult to maneuver around. That's kind of where the paring knife comes in. It's small, it's nimble, and it is a extremely utilitarian blade that you can use for a wide range of tasks. But the main function of a paring knife is to do those small and detailed work that you can't really do with a big chef knife. Next knife we want to talk about is this bird's beak paring knife, or some will call it a tournée knife. The reason they call it a tournée knife is because there's a French culinary technique called tournée where they create a seven-sided football-shaped garnish on a plate, such as a potato or a carrot, things like that. From what I hear, it's a fairly difficult technique to accomplish, and I might try that today on camera to try to embarrass myself a little bit, but I don't know. I'm not very used to these bird's beaks knives. I'm more used to just this like standard paring knife, so I'm really interested to try that out. Now, other functions or strengths of a bird's beak is because it has a curved blade. Anything that is curved or round, like an apple or things like that, that when you need to peel it, it just peels a lot easier and nicer. So that's one strength of the bird's beak knife that you can kind of say has an edge over the paring knife. Alright, let's grab some of these produce and do a quick demo. So the first thing we're going to do is peel this Asian pear with the bird's beak knife. I'm going to try really hard not to break this, like I'm making a wish. Maybe we can wish for 2020 to go a little smoother. That might be good. But definitely don't blame me if I break this skin. Alright guys, I actually did it. I peeled the whole pear without breaking the skin. So make a wish, guys. Make a wish. Just wish for a good health and a better rest of 2020. I think that's a good one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to deseed and cut open this little jalapeno right here. So this wraps up the functionality of a paring knife video, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys do like it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And also don't forget to follow Cangshan Cutlery on all of their social media. I'll link everything down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.